Preservation of food. What happens to a piece of cake if you leave it on the table overnight? The cake will be smelly and sour by the next day, and it will no longer be edible. Food gets spoiled by germs that require moisture, warmth, and air to grow. If you would have kept the cake in the refrigerator, you could have enjoyed it the next day, as it would not have spoiled. Food preservation helps us to prevent foods from getting spoiled and remain fresh for a long time. In today's module, let us learn more about food preservation. Along with refrigeration, there are many other methods of food preservation. You must have seen your elders storing pulses, flour, and other eatables in airtight containers. Proper storage of food in airtight containers prevents the food from absorbing moisture from the environment. When there is no moisture, germs cannot grow on these food items. Salting or addition of salt to the food helps preserve food by forming a concentrated salt solution with the food. The salt drains away all the moisture from the body of the germs and kills the germs. This prevents their further growth. Pickles are made by adding excess salt to food items, and thus they last for very long periods of time. Similar to adding salt, adding excess sugar to food also prevents the growth of germs. The sugar syrup formed in the food after addition of sugar drains out moisture from the cells of the germs and kills them. Jams, jellies, and fruit juices are preserved by the method of sweetening. You must have noticed how your elders boil milk soon after getting it from the milkman. Boiling or heating food at high temperatures helps to kill any germs that might be present in the food. The method of dehydration is based on the fact that germs cannot grow without moisture. When food is dried and dehydrated to make it moisture-free, germs can no longer grow on the food. It is a very effective way of food preservation used in the preservation of fruits, pulses, vegetables, and flowers. Another common method of preserving food is by adding preservatives. Preservatives are substances which are added to food to slow down or stop the growth of germs. Oil, salt, and sugar act as natural preservatives. Chemical preservative like sodium benzoate and benzoic acid are also used to prevent food from spoiling. Use of these various methods of food preservation helps to prevent the wastage of food.